Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to a VGA monitor. The PlayStation 5 outputs a digital signal via HDMI, while VGA monitors accept an analog signal. This fundamental difference means a direct connection is impossible. You'll need a specific piece of hardware to bridge this gap and convert the signal effectively, ensuring your gaming experience isn't hindered by incompatible display technologies. To make this connection, you absolutely need an active HDMI to VGA adapter. This isn't just a simple cable. It's a converter that actively transforms the digital HDMI signal from your PlayStation 5 into an analog VGA signal your monitor can understand. Passive adapters, which lack this conversion capability, will not work. Look for adapters that often include a USB power input for stable operation. First, connect an HDMI cable from your PlayStation 5's HDMI output to the HDMI input on your active adapter. Next, take a standard VGA cable and connect it from the adapter's VGA output to the VGA input on your monitor. Crucially, power your adapter, usually with a USB cable connected to a power source. Finally, switch your monitor's input source to VGA to see your PlayStation 5's display. Remember, VGA only carries video, so you'll need a separate solution for audio. Many active adapters include a 3.5mm audio jack for this purpose, which you can connect to speakers or headphones. If you encounter issues, double-check all your connections and ensure the adapter is powered. Also, confirm your VGA monitor supports the resolution output by the PlayStation 5 for optimal display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.